Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to generate DKIM keys in SendGrid. So step number 1, in the Twilio SendGrid app, user interface, select Settings, then Sender Authentication. In the Domain Authentication section, click Get Started. The Authenticate Your Domain page will load. From the Authenticate Your Domain page, select your DNS host from the drop-down menu below the text. Which domain server host do you use? You can select I'm not sure or other host if not listed. You can set up link branding by choosing yes below the text. Would you also like to brand the links for this domain? If you choose no, you can add link branding later. Link branding is not required for the domain authentication process. After that, click on Next. A second Authenticate Your Domain page will load. And from the new page, add the domain you want to authenticate below the text, domain you send from. This will be the domain that appears in the from the address of your messages. Select the advanced settings appropriate for your needs. Click Next and install DNS records, and the page will load. The Twilio SendGrid app will determine if you can automatically finish your domain authentication process. You'll be taken to the Automatic Setup tab if we can automatically finish the setup. You'll be taken to the Manual Setup tab if we cannot automatically finish the setup. You cannot modify your domain's DNS records. You can email the records to a colleague using the Send to a Coworker tab. The email requires a direct link to the records, and the recipient doesn't need to log in to your Twilio SendGrid account. That's it. Thanks for watching.